How you going? Gary here from Platform 1 MRC. Just on one of the Facebook pages I'm on, British Railway Modelling in Australia, I got asked by Clinton Herring if I had any YouTube videos of the layout I'm building River Dee Meats. So I decided to just cobble this together. There's no trains running, but it does show where I'm up to. A couple of O-gauge kits here, Parkside Models kits, LMS brake van and a LMS beer wagon, which is sitting here in the shadows. Just at the moment it's got the chassis rails underneath just being secured to the body. Road access to River Dee Meats is via the railway crossing here where the little van's sitting, and we'll just pan back down the layout at the moment. A couple of Parkside meat wagons, double salt wagon, double 3F Ginty, great model they are. The building here, the abattoir, hence River Dee Meats, is all scratch built out of foam core, covered in elder cut brickwork and some corrugated card that I purchased, I think at Spotlight or somewhere like that. The support's actually just, well, the canopy is just being supported by some Lego at the moment. I'm just waiting on a few canopy brackets from Elcut to arrive. Further down the layout, we come across the cattle pens. Now, originally in one of my other videos I showed a cattle pen which is made out of timber. I found a couple of photos of one at a place called Shirley, which is about 5.5 miles southeast of Birmingham. It's made out of rail. Originally the original one prototype is actually bridge rails, but I've just used code 100 rail and cobbled this thing together. A couple of gates out of evergreen styrene. Further down the layout, another Ginty. This will be the good siding, you could say, for loading the fruit, perishables, beer eventually. And further down this way where the tanker and the open wagons are sitting will be where the coal office will be, coal merchant. And just here where the ruler and the piece of track is, that will be the station. Now the station's on order from laser cut railway models in the UK. And what else have I got on order? I've got the coal merchant's office, and roughly about here somewhere I'll carve into the styrofoam or the insulation foam, and I have a signal box on the way, LMS design from Elcut. Sorry there's no trains running at the moment, but they are all equipped with lace DCC decoders that I got off a good mate of mine, Chris Lord. So this will be exhibited at Rose Hill, or the Epping Model Railway exhibition, Epping Model Railway Club exhibition on long weekend in June. It won't be complete, but it will be a works in progress. So the average punter out there can see how a layout comes together without all the pretty bits attached on top. Anyway, that's the update for now. Catch you later. Ciao.